Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video in Adobe Illustrator we are going to create a 3D abstract background as you can see on your screen. So let me delete this first. Simply we have to take 3 squares by using the rectangle tool. So I'm going to create 3 squares, color it with whatever color you want, and I'm going to copy this single particular rectangle and again Control D. So I have 3 squares now and I'm going to color with specific colors. Now as you can see in the swatches panel, on the left of this white color we have a gray shade. So select that gray shade for the first shape. Now select the third square and color with the adjacent color, and for the middle shape color it with the darker shade. So as you can see, this is the lighter shade, this is much or more it is darker, and it is this one, the last one is even darker. So we have 3 shapes which are gray colored but with different shades. Now we are going to create an ellipse or circle, and we have to apply a gradient, black and white gradient, and select the radial gradient in that, and we want the black color to be inside. So we are going to reverse this gradient by clicking over here. Now click on the white color and keep the opacity at 0. We don't want any opacity on white color. Then again go to the black color and keep the opacity at 80%. Now go to the transparency panel. If you are not if you don't see the transparency panel over here, you can turn it on from the window menu and keep the blending mode to multiply. Now move this particular circle ellipse exactly at this point and send it to back by right clicking and arrange, send it to back. You can also press shift control and square bracket to do the same, and now make it to bit of an oval shape and make it to this length like this. So this looks good. Now select them all, bring it down, keep it just a little bit above the edge so that this portion is visible like this. Looks good. Now copy this by using the Alt or Option key and left click, drag it, copy this, and now simply press Ctrl D or Command D. So this is our first row. Again select all and again press Alt or Option key, keep it over here slightly. Now select both the rows and copy, Alt or Option key, copy, yes, very good. Now press Ctrl D so that it will be copied once again. So this is the 3D abstract background we were looking for. Now I'm going to fit this particular background into a rectangle. So simply select a rectangle tool, color doesn't really matter. Now remember, keep the rectangle above the shape that we have created. Now if you want to keep it inside this, select all the elements, go to Object, then go to Clipping Mask and Make. So as simple as that, we have created an abstract shape using pretty much the basic shapes that we have in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you by clicking on the full screen mode. So this is how it looks after creating. So I hope you like the video, this small tutorial. If you do like the video, just do give me a like, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Cheers.